Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on temperature. Temperature is the measure of how much heat or cold is present. We could measure temperature as it relates to weather, or we could be interested in the temperature of any number of objects that exist in real life. For example, here are three examples on this slide here. Tonight we're having a delicious hot baked dinner. The word hot gives you an idea. I love cold vanilla ice cream. The word cold gives us a clue. I prefer my coffee extra hot. Those two words give us a clue. Weather. Different weather icons are used to inform us of the temperatures through the week. So icons are just little pictures, and when you see each of these little pictures here, you have an idea what sort of weather to expect. Now you could see these little icons here maybe on the television screen or in some newspapers. Vocabulary. Here we're talking about some words that could be used. So the following are some of the possible words used to describe the temperature relating to weather or different objects. We have words like steamy, cool, warm, hot, freezing, cold, chilly, icy, lukewarm, heat, frozen, or boil. Warning signs for temperature. So we have a thermometer which gives us an idea about the heat present. Sometimes we see this warning sign here about touching hot surfaces, for example like a stove or something else. This little sign here sometimes gives us a warning of the bushfires, perhaps, what the weather's like and how dangerous it is, and we have to be very careful not to light any fires. And here's a particular and specific warning about a hot stove. Testing temperature. The temperature of the weather and objects in general can be tested in many ways. This thermometer can be used to measure body temperature. It's a very common one. Just put it in your mouth and it'll tell you the temperature of your body. This thermometer can be used to tell us the daily temperature outside or inside. And you have two scales there. This thermometer warns us when our car engine is overheating. We can test the temperature of baby milk by putting a few drops on the wrist. That's a very common way to do it. We can test the temperature of water with our arm or hand, either way here. And the last two pictures, our bodies are good at judging temperature, hence we wear clothing which is suitable for any given temperature. Obviously it's very, very cold here, so this person is wearing some very warm clothing. And here it's a lovely warm day at the beach, so just the swimming costumes will do. So this video has introduced you to the idea of temperature, and we've given some examples ranging from very hot to very cold.